We're here at iFresh.
iFresh.
Look what they got. Special tuna steak, $5.99 a pound. All right, Hiro. It's all frozen. This is so cheap.
Nice round, you know.
Nice round shape.
For the tuna burger.
Okay, yeah, possibly.
Okay.
Okay.
Tuna burger.
Walmart again. You guys take a look. And looking for some tuna again. This is wild caught yellowfin tuna. Gonna try and see if this experiment is gonna work, huh?
Yes.
This is pretty much the best piece. I see some browning on the edges there already. You see it? Yeah, some browning on the edges.
This one's better?
This one has a little bit too. I don't know if you can change that. Pretty much all the same, right?
Same thing.
Okay, that's fine. I guess we'll do the best. This is sell by December 20th, and today's the 12th. So we actually have another 8 more days. All right, let's try this one from Walmart.
Okay.
Just get this big one here. Yeah, perfect. And that's from Fort Pierce, $25 a pound.
That's 2 for me, yeah.
Thank you very much. You too. All right, here we go. All right, here's time. We got it.
Yeah, everything. Now we have everything.
Now we have everything. However, just want to show you guys this. Here doesn't like this tuna at all, and I don't blame him. This is $18 a pound, but just look at this color. It's almost like a coffee or tan color. But definitely, we're not going to be trying this one. Okay, Hiro-san.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We are back at the studio, and let's show everyone what we picked up. Starting from here, this is frozen tuna from iFresh. So cheap at $5.99 a pound. I guess it was on sale. This costs a total of $3.17. Next, we have Walmart wild caught yellowfin tuna. Price here per pound is actually $9.98, so about $10 a pound. And use date by December 20th. And here we have this is a fresh wild caught yellowfin tuna steak. This is fresh inside the case, as you saw. Price was $25 a pound, so more than 2.5 times more than this. This is about 4 times more, a little bit more than 4 times the amount. And our control here, this is what's going to save the day, right, Hiro? This is a Toro from Riviera Seafood Club. And hopefully this experiment works. Yes. I just hope so, because with this kind of Toro, maybe you can add it to this cheap piece of tuna and make it, what do you think? Toro sashimi? Just close your eyes and hopefully the taste is going to melt you away. Mm-hmm. Let's hope so. Okay, Hiro-san, let's open it up and see what we got.
Okay.
Now, you mentioned before, you have not seen a round piece of tuna like this before, right? Usually
No,
it's
they
square.
just trimming out the round, you know.
Yeah, just trimmed around.
But looks like this is, like I say, ready for the tuna burger.
Yeah, I think so. Right? Just put it on the grill and make a tuna burger.
Right.
So today is December the 12th. And this is a use date by December the 20th, so 8 days from now. Let's see how this turns out. Although once you pat it, it turns white. You saw that? Kind of goes white. Yeah, it was a little bit darker.
This is kind of changed the color already.
Okay, stepping up the game to Whole Foods,
24, almost $25 per pound.
$25 a pound.
That's pretty expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive. This is definitely not A grade, A plus tuna. This is probably, I don't know, from looking at the color, probably closer to a B minus color here. All right, this is what we're waiting for to see. Drum roll, please. Da,
Yes.
da, da, da.
This is
What's going to save the day, we hope. We surely hope. Oh boy, look at that. Oh jeez. Oh my goodness, look at this. Really interesting. Beautiful marbling, huh, on this piece of Toro.
very nice.
All right, Hiro. Well, you know what? Look at the color comparison. Right away you can tell. Very, very different.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, this is a different part. You know,
Yeah, different part, sure.
different type of the fish.
Yeah.
I mean, the bluefin and
Well, this is also yellowfin
Yellowfin.
too. Yeah, these are pretty much all yellowfin. We are ready for this experiment, and I just hope that it's going to turn out good because, you know, Hiro, it's going to be a waste of $100 per pound piece of Otoro from Riviera Seafood Club. Okay, Hiro, let's go.
Okay.
What's the first step?
First step, I'm gonna do trimming off this one a little bit. This one has the very strong fiber here, so I'm gonna take it off this one. Then the little bit brown spot I'm gonna take off. This one. Okay, now I'm going to start it.
Here's a piece from Walmart. Here we go. Tuna from iFresh, tuna from Walmart, tuna from Whole Foods. We're going to see if this piece of tuna can save them. Hiro-san, what do you feel? You think it's possible?
Toro is Toro.
Toro's Toro, right?
Red meat, red meat. So we're gonna try to kind of mix it together.
Okay. Let's do it.
Sure.
right, Hiro-san, here we go. Finished product. Previously frozen tuna from MyFresh. The one from Walmart and the one from Whole Foods. I don't know about you, Hiro, but this surely is interesting. Hopefully we were able to save this tuna. What do you think, Hiro? Hopefully you guys like this experiment. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us which one would you eat? Or maybe none of them. I'm not sure at all, but we'll be trying it soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you.
All right, the best part of all. Y'all been waiting for the tasting part. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Okay.
First, tuna from MyFresh. This thing was round and hard and frozen before. All right. You taste the Toro in there?
Yeah.
You do? How about combined with that frozen tuna?
The tuna sauce is kind of dry.
Yeah.
So.
But does this oily part help it out?
But I can taste the Toro part.
You can taste it. So when you combine it, does it taste any better? I know it's kind of dried out. Does it work or no?
The fish sauce is kind of dry, so
it doesn't really work.
but still better than
by itself, right? Okay, let's try this one from Walmart. This was a lot of work to do in Walmart. This was not frozen. Looks like it was better, right?
This one has more moisture.
More moisture? Okay. And you tasted tuna Toro as well?
Yeah, I can taste the Toro.
Okay, so much better than this one? I think the quality of the tuna is better anyway, you know? Raw tuna from Walmart, guys. Yes, Hiro's eating it raw. Okay, last one from Whole Foods. This was in our display case. $25 a pound. Very, very expensive. And it's only yellowfin, not even bluefin. All right. Close your eyes. Close your eyes 1 minute.
No, I can tell. Tuna shell, much better than other two.
Much better than the other two. So it's worth it. Okay, because this is about $10 a pound. This is $25, and this was only $6 a pound. So this is much better, huh? This looks like pork. Look at that.
Yeah, this one is tuna shell is good.
Okay, nice. Look at that. Seconds. So this tuna, the Toro made it better, huh? Can you tell though? Does it taste more like Toro than maybe Chew Toro? Does it have a taste of Chew Toro?
But the funny part is, even this one and this one, you can feel more Toro parts.
Really?
Because the other part is not so good.
Oh, okay, got it. So this really stands
I don't know how
out.
to explain about that.
No, I know.
But this is dry.
Yeah.
The Toro part is kind of moisture.
Yeah.
You can feel
So
more
you can the
same way.
Right.
And this one, the tuna is a totally different texture.
And they're both yellowfin. That's the funny part, right? Well, this is Whole Foods. Hiro, so does this take that Chew Toro? Maybe if you interject that? Is that a stretch?
Yeah,
what do you think?
You know, all Toro plus red meat, right?
Yeah. It goes Chew Toro.
Chukan,
right in the middle.
Chew Toro.
Okay, so all right. So we made it, huh? This experiment was successful. Hiro was able to make Chew Toro from Whole Foods. Regular yellowfin tuna.
This is a -5.
-5, okay.
+4.
Yeah. Well, we saw that thing was frozen as anything and hard. And this one actually looked like it's got some CO2 in it. Very light in color. Not the light color that we're looking for, but of course this one is a little bit better, a little bit deeper if you guys can see next to it. I'll try this one first.
Yeah. That way more you can tell.
Okay.
It's kind of dry outside.
Yeah, the tuna you can tell. The meat itself from the frozen tuna is actually very dry.
Right.
And it separates from the Toro. The Toro is so moist, almost like a piece of fat. That's what it is, you know? Fish fat. All right, this is Walmart. Let's take a look at that. glistening Toro in between. This is crazy, but let's try it. Not as dry, of course, but also no taste. That tuna. No taste on this yellowfin tuna. And here we go, the last one. Looks so strange. Just looking at it is kind of funny.
So
weird.
also this tuna doesn't have much taste either. You know, but it's very moisturized.
But it is better. Yeah, this is much better than the other two, definitely. The texture itself, you can tell is like, I don't know if this, I don't think it's previously frozen, but it feels like it was possibly, previously frozen. This one tastes, it was fresh all the way because it doesn't have the dryness to it. Just look at it, so much water content. This one doesn't look like it has that much water content, but when you eat it, it's so funny because both the two pieces are very soft. Where these are harder, the tuna pieces are harder. The Toro just kind of falls away. But this is actually, much better. Only concern we have here is how much you pay. $25 a pound for regular tuna at this quality, and it's only yellowfin. You guys got to check out Riviera Seafood Club. Information down below. You can get a discount. Use Chef Hiro 15 to get $15 off of $100, or Chef Hiro 35 to get $35 off of $200. And get bluefin tuna. If you guys want Toro, it's going to be a little bit more money, but you guys will be able to enjoy so much of it. Okay, see you guys soon.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.